The route we have, R1 is having the AS number 1, he will forward this here, and next hop will be this interface IP, but this R2 will forward here. He will not change next hop as his hop, he will give the other guy hop. That is a problem. So to overcome that one, we will put the neighbor next hop self. So we need to do the configuration. We will say here BGP next hop self. We can give this lab BGP next hop self. Okay, so here first I will give the R1 configuration. So R1 configuration, enable config T host name R1, and we will assign the IP interface E0 by 0. I will write IP address. We have 192.168.12.1. Give space 255.255.255.0, and then we will write no shut here. Interface loopback 0. I will write here IP address 1.1.1.1. Give space 255. Any subnet we will use, but I am using here only /8, so I give that one only. And now we need to configure BGP, so I will write here router BGP1, and I need to make the neighbor manually. In the BGP automatically neighbor will not form, so we need to give the neighbor manually. So I will write neighbor, and also if you want to give the router ID, you can give also BGP router ID, anything we can give, or automatically they can take also. So now neighbor I need to make, so neighbor IP. So this is our neighbor, so 12.2. So we will write 192.168.12.2. then I will write remote AS is 2, because R2 is using the AS2. And you need to advertise network, so you will write network, what network you want to advertise, and here we will write subnet mask 255.0.0. so this is the R1 configuration. Okay, so this is the R1 configuration. I can copy and paste this in the R1. So let me take the console of R1. I will write here R1. I will take the console of R2 also, and I will take the console of R3 also. So now I will go to R1 and we can paste the configuration here. So I will paste the configuration here. So this is good. Now we can do the R2 configuration. So R2 configuration, here I will do R2 configuration, enable config T. R2 is having the two interface. One is a interface E0 by 0. So I will write here IP address 192.168.12.2. give space 255.255.255.0 and write no shut here. And then you will write here interface E0 by 1 here, and you will write IP address. What is IP? You have 192.168.23.1 255.255.255.0. just I am assigning the IP address like we do from long time. Here I am using 23.1, here I am using 12.1. so just we configure the IP. After that you need to configure the BGP. So you will write router BGP2, because we are using our AS number. AS number for R2, R3 is 2 only. So I will write here router BGP, and the AS number is 2. After that what I can do, I can write here neighbor and neighbor IP. So 192.168.12.1 is one neighbor, and remote AS is neighbor 1. This one remote AS for this one is 1. So I wrote here neighbor 192.168.12.1. this one remote AS is 1, and I have one more neighbor I have here, this one. So here you will write 23.2, and AS here is different. AS here, because we are using same AS, this both router, this one and this one. So here also we will write 2. That's all. This is the R2 configuration. So I can copy this, I can paste here inside this router. I will go here. Okay, I will paste here. R2 configuration is done. Now I need to do the R3. So I will divide this notepad. R3 configuration is very simple. Just I will go here and I will write here R3 configuration. Enable config T host name R3, and then assign the IP address to the interface here, and then we will write IP address, whatever IP we are using, 192.168.23 dot we are using 2, and give 255.255.255.0 and write no shut here. Then you will configure the BGP router BGP2. Here we will write BGP2, and then neighbor. And what is the neighbor? Neighbor is 192.168.23.1, and remote AS is 2 only. So just I advertise. So here only one device you have connected, so that we make the neighborship. That's all. So now I will copy this from here. I will copy this from here to here. Then go to R3, and we will paste here. Okay, I pasted here. What else we can do here? We done here. So now we can check in the R2. We can check when we write show IP BGP and press enter. You see, if you want to check the BGP table, you write show IP BGP. So when you write show IP BGP, you can see BGP table version is 2. Local router ID means local router ID is 23.1 here. I did not give any router ID right here, 23.1. Yeah, I did not give any router ID here. Only here we give. No problem. Automatically they taken the router ID, this one. And here if you see, this is the BGP table. If you have greater than, and this one star means valid, greater than means best. So this is a valid and best route. If anyone want to go to this network, they need to forward to next hop. This is a next hop here. And here if you write show IP BGP, show IP route, you will have the route from the BGP, this one. And you see this AD value is 20 because you are having the BGP, what we can say, eBGP. eBGP is having the AD value is 20. And you can ping. You can ping here, it will work. In the R2 no problem. But if you go in the R3, you will have problem here. You will have the neighborship and you write show IP route here. You don't have route. If you write show IP BGP, you see in the BGP table you are getting this network. You have only star. Star means valid, but it is not best. And you get here I. What is the meaning of I? You learn this from the iBGP. You get this information from iBGP because from this router you get this route. So this router is also having the same AS. So this router is also in the AS, R3 AS, same AS. So we have iBGP. So you are learning this one from iBGP. And if anyone want to go to this network, next hop is this one. So this information, this router don't know anything how to go to this 12.1. So that's why you are not getting here the best. And if you ping, it will not work. And in BGP table also it is not coming. If you write show IP BGP, you will not get in the BGP table also. So then what we can do? We can do that one. Like as I told, in the R2 we need to do the configuration. In the R2 we need to write like first you go in the router BGP2, and here in the R2 you need to write in the R2 we will write neighbor. What is a neighbor? That is R3 23.2. He will say, R2 will say next hop self. So I am only the next hop, he will mention. And the another thing, we need to advertise the network whatever we are using between this. So network is network ID, then mask, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. that's all. If you put these two command, then it will start working. You need to put in R2. So R2 is saying R3, that is 23.2, I am only the next hop, and this whatever the IP we are using in between, we will advertise that one. So we need to put this command here, then it will start working. So see, I done here. After that, if you go here and if you check here show IP BGP, still it will take some time, still not. Here we wrote already, right? So now here I put that one, and we will wait for some time. BGP is slow protocol, or we need to do the reset. So better, yeah, wait. See, it came now. So now in the R3, what R3 is saying, or if you want, I will give space and then I will put this command. So in the R3, same thing they are saying, if anyone want to go to one dot network, here you can see star and greater than symbol. They are saying that one, they need to forward to next hop. Next hop means this one. Here we need to forward. And here you have star and greater than symbol, this one. So means this is a valid and best, and you learn this internally. And now if you write show IP BGP here, show IP BGP, show IP route, here see you are getting this route from the BGP, and you can ping, it will work 1.1.1.1. So it is working.